Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of YouTube automation, a powerful tool that can help you streamline your content creation process and grow your channel like never before. In this video, we'll be exploring the ins and outs of YouTube automation, its benefits, and how you can effectively implement it into your own content strategy. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. What is YouTube automation? First things first, what exactly is YouTube automation? Essentially, YouTube automation involves using various tools and techniques to streamline and optimize the process of creating, uploading, and promoting your videos on the platform. This can include things like scheduling uploads, automating social media promotion, and even using AI to optimize your video titles and descriptions for maximum visibility. By leveraging automation, creators can save time and effort while still producing high-quality content that resonates with their audience. Benefits of YouTube automation. So why should you consider incorporating automation into your YouTube workflow? Well, for starters, it can save you a ton of time. With automation tools handling repetitive tasks like scheduling uploads or posting on social media, you can focus more on creating engaging content that attracts viewers. Additionally, automation can help improve the visibility of your videos by optimizing metadata and promoting your content across multiple platforms. This can ultimately lead to increased views, engagement, and ultimately growth for your channel. How to implement YouTube automation. Now that we've discussed the benefits of YouTube automation, let's talk about how you can actually implement it into your content strategy. One popular automation tool for YouTube is TubeBuddy, which offers features like bulk video editing, A/B testing, and keyword tracking to help maximize the performance of your videos. Another great tool is Hootsuite, which allows you to schedule social media posts promoting your videos in advance. By using these tools strategically, you can save time and effort while still reaching a wider audience with your content. Best practices for YouTube automation. While automation can be a game changer for your YouTube channel, it's important to use it responsibly and effectively. One key best practice is to keep a human touch in your content. Remember that your audience wants to connect with a real person, not a robot. Additionally, be mindful of over-automation, as sammy or repetitive content can turn off viewers and hurt your channel's reputation. By striking a balance between automation and authenticity, you can create a winning content strategy that resonates with your audience and drives growth for your channel. Conclusion. In conclusion, YouTube automation is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your content creation process, save time, and grow your channel effectively. By leveraging automation tools like TubeBuddy and Hootsuite, you can optimize your video performance, reach a wider audience, and ultimately achieve success on the platform. Remember to use automation responsibly, balancing efficiency with authenticity to create engaging content that resonates with your viewers. So why wait? Start implementing YouTube automation into your content strategy today and watch your channel soar to new heights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.